everyone, welcome to Swag Life with Anna. So today we are going to style a sari with a cape top, just like the Deepika Padukone style, something like this. But before that, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. So you would have seen me style this cape top in different ways, like with lehenga, with palazzo, with sharara, garara. But this cape top is so versatile. It can not only be styled in Indian, but in Western, Indo-Western, fusion type, any kind of look. But this video is completely exclusive for sari styling. So without any further ado, let's get started. So you all have seen Deepika Padukone do this look some time ago. I thought I'll do this exclusive video just for that, and I'll give you different options and different things you can try with the same look. So the first look is with this blue sari and a pink blouse and this black cape top. I used to wear this sari with a very simple blouse, and later on I stitched another pink blouse which had some work at the back. I can show you a picture of it on Instagram. Right now I don't have one. It's really nice. I just got my tailor to do something and it looks really nice, but you can go for any top, but this has a pink border on it, so I stuck to pink, but you can go for orange or red or whatever color you like, or even black for that matter. And you guys won't believe how old this sari is. This is like 10 to 15 years old if I'm not wrong. And now stop guessing my age, okay? I started wearing sari long ago, like even when I was like 5 or 6. I always loved sari. Anyway, I kind of like this combination of blue, pink, and then covering it with a black one with a sequence work on it. This looks really nice. I love this combination. I went for some silver jewelry because again it has more of silver work on it, so I didn't want to mix up the gold and the silver in it. And as you can see, I've styled it with a diamond studded earring and a kada and a choker, and it's not real diamond, okay? And I went for these multicolored mojis, which I love, but you can also go for some silver heels, and that's it. You're done. And for makeup, I went for these pink eyeshadows and light pink blush on and a pink lipstick. It went really well with the blue sari and the pink blouse and the moji. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you liked this one. Do tell me what you think about this one in the comment box. And this black and beige combination is one of my favorites, and it's not because it's similar to Deepika Padukone's look. Again, it's a little different because of the print and pattern on it. I bought this from Myntra. It's easily available there or any other sites that you know. Go for a beige print sari with this cape top. It takes this whole look to another level. Again, I've gone for the same accessories and the makeup. It goes really well with the whole thing. And for footwear, you can go for golden flats or golden heels or nude heels, and you're done. And this orange sari, this is perfect for any kind of festivals or occasions like Mehndi or Haldi. And I've gone for these temple jewelry just to give it a fusion look. Style it this way to look exclusive. And for accessories, again, as I mentioned, the temple jewelry was from some online store which I can't remember, but I'm sure this is available on amazon.in. And the bangle is from Commercial Street in Bangalore, and the necklace is from a local store over here in Canada. I'm wearing this black crop top, that sleeveless black crop top, which is my favorite. You can contrast it with different colors if you want. Instead of black, you can go for maybe red or blue, whatever you like, and wear this golden cape on it, and that's it, you're done. But you can also switch it with a black cape instead. Both of them will look absolutely stunning. I went for flats here for comfort's sake as usual, but you can also go for golden heels or nude heels, but don't go for black because gold is the theme here and we don't want to distract it with any other colors here. But if you're going for a black cape top, then no question about it, black is perfect. And yeah, you can also go for multicolored mojris or flats or heels in this case if you're going for black. I love this combination of orange and pink, so that's why I'm going for this pink eyeshadow with this orange sari. And by the way, a gold themed eyeshadow is also a very good idea in this case. This is another beige and black combination. I'm going for this look because yeah, it's somewhat similar to the Deepika Padukone look. I am so obsessed with that look. I bought the sari from a store in Kerala, and this was about 10 years ago, and this sari is so nice. It's a cotton and jute blend and it's so nice. It's so light and it has self print on it, kind of netted. I went for the same jewelry as the previous look. Nothing has changed at all, except the footwear can be nude or golden heels or flats for that matter, whatever you feel is comfortable. And for makeup, again, I went for the same pink eyeshadows, but again, because it's nude, you can go for any other color, but don't go overboard with this. Just keep it simple and elegant and don't go for any rainbow colors. I'm just kidding. And this yellow sari, for some reason I love yellow saris and salwars and kurtas. And I've started with the black cape top. It's hard to tell which one is better, so you have to tell me which one do you think is better than the other, and to tell me in the comment box what you think about these looks. Using my favorite black crop top as a base, but you can also go for a golden crop top or a golden blouse. If it's a bigger function or a festival, you can always go for gold, but I'm keeping it very simple over here. And for accessories, I'm going for these multicolored bangles which I bought from Delhi, and the earrings are my favorite. I bought this from Commercials in Bangalore. I have almost worn this with every Indian outfit and I just love this one. And the necklace that I'm wearing is from a local Canadian store, and this goes well with any Indian outfit, also with western. Footwear, go for black or golden heels or flats depending on your comfort. For makeup, you can go for pink eyeshadows like me or go for orange, light orange eyeshadows, and lipstick can be again pink or chili color, light orange, whatever you like. You can also go for this combination like a golden themed eyeshadow and a red lipstick or a chili lipstick. I'm also going to put up some of my old pictures that I have styled earlier with the same cape top, and you guys tell me what you think about those versus these. And talking about the cape tops, you can go for any colors you want. It's easily available on amazon.in. Anyone living outside of India, you have to buy it online from here and then get someone to ship it for you. A few are even available on Myntra and Meesho, but very few, but Amazon has more options. Also, again, for people living outside of India, we don't have a lot of options, but this is the only option I can think of. But you can also find some cape tops, not this kind, but a little different one, on Shein. And if you're confused about which color to buy, I can just suggest you one golden and one black. So you can style it with anything you want, and choose your makeup and accessories very carefully and wisely. Don't go overboard. With these kind of looks, you have to be subtle and elegant. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you all liked this video. Please let me know what you liked in this video, which look is your favorite. Put a like on this video if you like this video, and follow me on Instagram at swaglife_with_Anna. So until next time, take care, guys. Love you all. Connect with me as much as possible. Bye.